Hi, welcome back to How to Build a Computer from Scratch for Beginners, the 5-minute guide. Saying that, I feel like just took 5 minutes. So this video, we're going to be talking about video cards. Yes, we are finally on to the big question of which video card to pick and why. But first, if you guys have not watched our previous videos, go check them out so kind of get you up to speed from where we're going. So, video cards. This is a touchy subject for most builders, fairly controversial for most die-hard fans of both Nvidia and AMD. The honest answer, really there's no wrong answer. There really is no wrong answer. Just like the other videos I discuss in the breakdown, different tiers, and I'll give you some suggestions for which ones later in the video. Now, for those that are curious exactly what a video card does, well, simply it's the device that takes the data that needs us to visually see what it is that's going to be on our screen or monitors. And it's just simply lines like the words that I'm reading from this document here. Get out of here. Or it can be as complex as the new Cyberpunk 2077 video game that just came out. Insert footage, but we really don't have footage. Oh, well, never mind. Right, there's lines on the screen so we can visually interact with it. That's a lot of it. There's more complexity. It does, and there's video cards that do more than just that, but simplicity, that is the majority of what they do. So wait. You're still here? Well, thank you. Thank you for sticking around this long. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell to get notified when we have new videos out, and hit the thumbs up. Greatly appreciate it, guys. On to the breakdown. So I'm really going to have 3 different tiers. Most of these are really going to be for most people. So most people who game, most people that do things, they do things in 1080, 1920 by 1080. These are for the majority of us that use that. And when we do our video on monitors, we'll talk more about specifics of different resolutions and stuff like that. First one is going to kind of be the best price to performance budget, and we're looking at probably for Nvidia, we're looking at around the 1650 Super, and then for AMD, we're going to go with the 5500 XT. They're pretty much identical in price, depending upon when you watch this. Maybe video cards is shot up again. Doesn't matter. That's pretty much where both of them rank. Is really good price to performance, right in that starter. If you're really just want to get in a video card, you want to do some light gaming, but you want to be still productive and have a pretty decent video card, that's going to be the starting mark for that. So the next one, this one's going to be pretty much the best bang for your buck for those settings. Pretty much you're going to try and max them out, or pretty close to max out settings, and get your 1080 resolution at 60 frames a second. And for the Nvidia, we're looking at the newer 3060 Ti. And then on the AMD side, we're looking at the 5700 XT, which is the one that I have in my computer right now. They're pretty much maxing out their settings right now for 1080 content and getting great results from them. The last one, best of both markets, for AMD's 6900 XT, supposed to be their highest end. For Nvidia side right now is 3090. And again, that's the time that I filmed this, and things will probably change 6 months from now or whatever. I've listed all that I've talked about in the description below. Check them out. Hit me up if you have any questions or comments. Leave the comments below if you like. Thanks for watching How to Build a Computer from Scratch for Beginners, the 5-minute guide. We'll see you in the next video, guys.